Hello, everyone. So, in today's session of Thoughtful Leaders, we have with us Dr. Anup Suchak from Central Institute of Research, Business Management, Research and Development, Nagpur. Hello, sir. Welcome to our
Hello.
platform for the interview session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Permission, can we start with the questions?
Yes, sir.
So, my first question is, what is the latest program that you are offering at your institute which will help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Sir, I must tell you that CIBMRD, which is an abbreviation of Central Institute of Business Management, Research and Development, Nagpur, was established in the year 1996. It is our 25th year, which is running on. We started with MBA courses. Then in 2008, we started with BBA course at our college. And this year, we are starting with BCom, means a plain graduation of in commerce. And we normally call our BBA and MBA program as BBA and BCom program as BBA and BCom Plus. Okay, this is not a normal BBA and BCom program. This is not normal graduation program, because apart from regular teaching, we provide students a campus recruitment training, which helps the students in successfully appearing in placement interviews. So this is our latest update about the program.
Okay.
So we have MBA, BBA, and BCom.
Okay. Sir, what are the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt?
So like I said, a BBA and BCom program are not plain graduation. It is a plus program. Also, we are into management courses where we have an expert and experienced team of faculties who have excellent academic record, and our USPs are placements. So we work hard to get our students placed. So this is our, in fact, we rank number one in giving placements to students in Nagpur.
Okay. Sir, what will you say the best practices in the courses that you are offering?
Sir, our philosophy is based basically on activity-based learning. During the year, during a particular year, we conduct various activities, whether it is academic, cultural, or social. We give all the responsibilities to students to organize such events and activities. So this way, we make our students learn by participating in those activities. So this is, I must say, our best practice which we follow.
Okay.
An activity-based learning.
Okay. Sir, what are some of the valuable insights of the program that you are offering at your institute?
Sir, as per my experience in this field, I must say BBA graduation tends to find, BBA graduates tends to find a job much quicker than any other graduates. Okay. They also get higher salary packages and they get a good social, stronger network, not social, but stronger network that can be built around them. Social network of professionals that is built around them. And the biggest advantage of this degree is that you start your career very early. Because like in other graduation, you need to wait for some post-graduation degree and then you start your career. But this is not the case with BBA and our BCom Plus program. The students start their career at very early age.
Okay. So moving on to the next question. How does the program ensures that the students are being prepared for the future?
So we at CIBMRD have a wonderful team. And also we have a very dynamic principal. The whole team works to achieve the common goal of the institute, that is the benefit and satisfaction of the students. So this focus towards the goal of our institute helps us to ensure that students are being prepared for the future by conducting various activities. Like I said, we conduct CRT program. This helps. In fact, this program is designed to prepare them for the future.
Okay. Sir, how do you train yourself and your faculty members to deliver these programs to the students?
Sir, as a policy, me and my colleagues, I must say, uh, we are involved into various research activities. In fact, we all compete with each other in terms of increasing the number of research publications under our belt. So, and of course, the competition is very healthy, and the participation in such research helps us to increase our knowledge, in fact, subject knowledge, and we also get awareness about the current trends and current issues related to the subject. So this research activities helps us a lot.
Okay. Sir, how do you tend to build an industry connect with this program?
Regarding industry, I must say we have a separate IIC cell. IIC is Industry Institute Coordination Cell. III, in fact, we sometimes call it Industry Institute Interaction Cell, which is coordinated by a placement coordinator, and which is headed by a placement coordinator. In fact, through this IIC, we have signed MOUs with various industries, wherein the industry will help our students to get their internships at their place. They train our students during those internships. We conduct internships during summer and winter as well. Okay, so we have winter internship program and summer internship programs designed for the students. And during this internship, the support, all the necessary support is provided by the industry. Apart from that, we conduct various guest lectures regularly on a regular basis, wherein the speakers are invited from the industries, from those industries where we have MOUs. So every year it is a policy to add a new company to the MOU.
Okay.
So with this way, we connect with industry.
Okay, rightly said, sir. Sir, what are the challenges that you have faced while including this program in your curriculum?
Basically, at the initial stage, we faced the challenge of placing our students. But all thanks to a placement coordinator, very dynamic placement coordinator, who worked very hard to build a rapport with industries. And now we are enjoying the benefits of those rapport built by the placement coordinator. I must tell you, in this particular year, in this pandemic situation also, we were able to get our students placed in many reputed industries like Just Dial, Byju's, All India Reporters, HCL Technologies, and many more. So I'm talking about the BBA graduates, not about the postgraduates. Okay, BBA graduates are placed into these companies this year.
Okay, sir, what are the different types of projects that the students are working on through this program?
Basically, the students are involved in various social science research projects related to their specializations. Like some are involved in projects of marketing management, some are getting involved in projects related to financial management, and some are involved in human resource management projects. So we assign them projects, we assign them guides, mentors from the institute, and they are involved in all those related activities related to their specializations only.
Okay, sir, what are the benefits and career options available after pursuing these courses?
Sir, after doing BBA or BCom from CRB Madi, students have two choices. Either they can go for higher education, like they'll be doing MBA and PGDBM courses, or they can find a good job in their hand if they can opt for, and institute will help them in getting those jobs. So these are the benefits that students have of doing graduation from our institute.
Okay, sir, moving on to the last question of the day. Sir, any message that you want to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
In fact, I always love to be around youth and the young generation because they have a lot of energy in them. So I must tell them to maintain those energy and divert those energy into some creative and research related work. So that they gain knowledge, they gain very good output, and plus they get good career opportunities in their hand.
Okay, that's all for today, sir. Thank you for sharing your availability for the interview session.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure.